Hello and welcome. I hope you're all doing very well today, and if you're new to my channel, I'm super glad to have you. Alright, so seeing as St. Patrick's Day is coming up, I decided that I'm going to do a little bit of special effects based on that. Bear with me because I don't know what I'm going to use yet, so just I'm going to let you know as I go along, alright? And I really hope you enjoy this. I really hope it turns out to look exactly how it is in here, so we'll see. I am going to be using, one of the symbols for St. Paddy's Day, which is a shamrock, and that is just a 3-leaf clover that is native to Ireland. I have an idea in mind, but I'm going to leave it for a surprise. I'm going to make 3, so I'm going to make 1 here, 1 here, and 1 here, and hopefully they match pretty well. Wish me luck. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to use a little bit of Ben Nye's Nose and Scar Wax. Use a little carving tool. Get the proper carving tools because this is for stone and I'm not sure how safe that is. But yeah. So I'm just gonna do this on each one now. Alrighty, so I'm just using a little bit of Marion Color Set powder. So I'm just going to use a little bit of a dark red color. So hello everyone, hello! Alright, next is some coagulated blood. Some squirt blood. Just adding a little bit of stage blood. I've mixed a bit of green face paint with some argan oil, so it gives it a nice, like, sort of runny texture. Marion liquid makeup. Alright guys, that is it for today. I really hope you enjoyed this video and I really hope you all have a fantastic St. Patrick's Day. Hope to see you very soon. Mwah! Thank you for watching.